Here is the basic Asaclean cleaning method. First, select a suitable grade. Asaclean is available in various grades to respond to particular customer needs. Please select the Asaclean grade that is suitable for your application. In order to change color from black ABS to natural ABS, you must first completely discharge the previous material, black ABS. After the previous material has been discharged, proceed to purging by maintaining the same temperature. Clean the hopper before introducing Asaclean. Please make sure that none of the previous material remains inside the hopper. Introduce Asaclean. The standard usage amount of Asaclean is shown in the table. The actual amount may vary depending on the resin to be cleaned, the capacity of the molding machine, and the level of contamination. Start cleaning by rotating the screw. The rotation speed is the same as at the time of molding. Set the back pressure high enough to prevent the screw from moving backward, and set the screw position at the forward limit. Check that the previous material has been completely discharged. Visually confirm that the color of the previous material is not mixed with the discharged Asaclean. If any color of the previous material remains, add Asaclean and repeat the cleaning procedures. If a temperature change is required for the next material, change the settings at this stage. Clean the hopper and introduce the next material. Discharge Asaclean by rotating the screw. Make sure that the material has been changed to the next material. This completes the color change. Be sure to check part appearance and quality by doing a trial molding before starting automatic molding operations. Do not recycle the molded object or the runner used for the dummy part back into the molding material. This is the basic Asaclean cleaning method.